Okay guys, for those of you that splice sometimes, I hate to splice. I hate using pliers or splices. It half the time doesn't work out very well. This is a product that's been around. Posilocks have been around for a while. I don't know how long the actual splice has been around, but Posilocks are super easy, super smart invention. So I'm going to show you what's going on. Got my new wrench tool set too, y'all. Good old Germans. That's from 1990 basically. They're still selling wrench. Anybody that doesn't know about wrench, what it is it grabs the wall of the bolt instead of the corners. So great tool set. Anybody looking for something like that. I think they're about 180 bucks for a whole set, which isn't bad. All right, so Posilocks. I'm about to tap into this line right here. What it does is one side it screws, right? I can't see for the sun where exactly my screen is. So it's right there. So it's kind of like an alligator type clip right there. It's got the wire, right? Now what's going to happen is this thing's got a little pin needle. It's got a little pin needle. Make sure I'm going to show you the right end. Right there. Little pin needle, right? So this is actually going to screw right into there. You're going to get a dead center splice where that pin needle is going through. And then from there, I'm going to go ahead and put this together. I'm going to pause this a second. We'll finish it off with the rest of it. Stick with me. All right, guys. So we're halfway there. We're spliced actually into the wire now because this portion here has been screwed in. The portion that had the needle has here been screwed into the alligator. So now it is hooked. So now what we have on the other end is we have a metal conductor that actually goes through this plastic, right? There's a metal rod in there. So you actually have electricity right there at the tip. So what's going to happen is we're going to take this wire that we need to put in, which is actually this yellow. We're going to hook it there. Tell you what, I'm going to pause it one more time. We're going to do it together. So here's the deal, guys. Here's the other part of that Posilock right here that we're about to use. It's got threads. What it does, it's hollow. It's going to just slide onto this yellow wire, and then we're going to let it wrap around this metal conductor. This is going to keep it tight once we tighten this down. Alright guys, just like that, I accidentally hit the stop button instead of the pause button, so I got to put these two videos together. But just like that, we have a splice. This screwed in to the body. So now we have electricity all the way through a splice. The good thing with these Posilocks is, hey, if something, I want to add something to it or anything like that, I just take it apart right here. I can add another wire to that. They do make a different Posilock that actually makes it even easier. It's got a bigger hollowed out end where you can put 3-4 wires together. But that's super easy compared to the old ways. They are more expensive. Back in the 90s, you could get these things, a whole pack of them, for like $2 or something. Anymore, they're about $1 a piece. So they got a little bit expensive. A little bit expensive, if I could say that phrase. So anyway, I got that one. We're going to go ahead and do the other one, and should have some flashing turn signal lights here in a couple minutes. Hope that helps somebody. Posilocks. And remember, if you need some oil, come see me, www.MEtricoil.com. Thanks, guys.